So today I'm going to be showing you how to switch out a old style PC board with a new style PC board. So here we have our old style. Along the right side we have connectors that we won't be playing with. They'll stay consistent when transitioning to your new board. The main ones we're going to be focusing on here are on the left side as well as on our display. Alright, so I already went ahead and removed the ribbon cable, so I'm going to start disconnecting the wires here. Now, remember with the thermocouple that these need to stay in the same order, so remember that the red top, white bottom. So I'll go ahead and put the green wires on the bottom two. And I'll take the two black wires and I'm going to put them on the two above the green. Thermocouple wires are polarity specific, so we need to ensure that the red wire is going into TC minus and the white wire will go into TC plus. And there you have it. That's the main differences between transitioning to an old and new board. You would install the connectors on the right the same as the old, and everything else would remain the same.